Let's dive into one of the strangest ideas in all of astrophysics.
Just imagine an object so extreme it could actually kill a black hole.
This cosmic imposter has a name, the Gravastar. It's basically a soap bubble of pure energy. But how could something so bizarre even be made? Well, it all starts with a bang.
It all kicks off with the death of a giant star, a massive supernova explosion. Sometimes the leftover core becomes an incredibly dense neutron star.
Or, if the star's big enough, its core collapses into a black hole, which just breaks reality.
But what if there's a third option? Something even weirder. Enter the Gravastar.
Okay, so what's inside a Gravastar? Well, this is where things get really weird. It has a shell made of, well, we don't even have a name for it. It's matter at its most extreme.
And inside that shell, a core of something called super-dense nothingness.
Now, this isn't just empty. It's the pure energy of the vacuum, compressed like crazy. So how does this thing actually stack up against the black hole?
You know, from the outside, you couldn't tell them apart. They both trap light and warp space.
The real secret is what's happening deep inside.
See, a black hole has a singularity that breaks physics. A gravastar neatly sidesteps that whole problem.
So it solves one huge puzzle, but creates another. What is that weird shell made of? Right, so if they look identical from afar, how could we possibly find one?
The answer might be in their sound, the sound of them smashing into each other.
Think of it this way. A black hole collision goes thump. A Gravastar collision would ring. And scientists are listening for those echoes. But the signal is super faint, almost impossible to hear.
Our instruments are getting better, but they're not quite sharp enough yet. The search is still on.
But that's what science is all about, right? Finding out the universe is stranger than we ever thought.
So what do you think? Are gravastars just a cool idea, or are they the future of physics?